everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on the menu we've got jumbo hash browns. Enjoy! Peeled potatoes, grate the potatoes. Rinse the grated potatoes with cold water to get rid of excess starch. Let's run through the remaining ingredients. List of herbs and spices is in the description box. Add in all the ingredients to the potatoes except the butter. Measurement to this recipe is in the description box.
Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Combine all thoroughly. On low heat, add 1 tablespoon butter to the pan. Add in the mixture. Spread out evenly. Cover up and cook for 20 minutes. You know it's cooked when the hash browns can easily separate from the pan. And flip to the other side and let cook for additional 8 to 10 minutes. All done! Transfer to a cooling rack. Enjoy with any dip of choice.
Please subscribe to get more yummy recipes. See you in the next video. Bye!